Okay, today we're going to learn how to construct parallel lines. So to start with, I'm going to create just any old line. There's my starter line. All right, I'm going to mark the end point of that line. And then from that line, I'm going to create an arc. So I'm going to center here. I'm going to pick a recognizable, repeatable point. So I'm going to choose the very first dot on the inches side. So that way I can find my same thing each time. I'm going to create my arc there. And then from where it intersects this line, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab that same point. So here's my inches side, bring that up closer. And I'm going to go ahead there. And where those two intersect, I'm going to mark and I'm going to connect my dots. And that's my creating my first angle here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pick an end point up here. And now I'm going to create this same arc because parallel lines have corresponding angles being congruent. So if I create the same arc up here, I will have constructed a parallel line. So here I go. I'm going to center. Well, first I'm going to extend this line a little bit more. I'm going to center on here. I'm going to go and grab my trusty point. So on my inches side, my first, I'm going to find where it intersects up there. And actually, I need that arc to be a little bit longer down here. There we go. And then from where it intersected the line here, I'm going to grab my same trusty point, my first dot on my. And so when I connect my dots here and here, I will be creating the same angle, which means I will have created parallel lines. Okay, and there we go, two parallel lines. Now, if I want to complete this and make a parallelogram, then what I might do is I might mark off the same distance here. So let's say I go here to here, and on this line, I'm going to grab that right there. Then I'll go up to this line and grab the same point. Then when I connect those dots, and now I've created a parallelogram because I know parallelograms not only have opposite sides that are parallel, but opposite sides that are the same length. So if I mark off the same length and connect the dots, I now have a parallelogram. So check out some of these links to some other constructions. Leave any comments if you want, and consider subscribing to my channel so you know when I put out new videos. And as always, keep on mathing.